How to lose weight with the Dirty Keto diet plan. The Dirty Keto diet is a popular variation of the traditional ketogenic diet. It caters to individuals who want the benefits of weight loss and ketosis without strictly adhering to clean eating principles. While the Dirty Keto diet allows for processed and convenience foods, it still emphasizes high-fat, low-carb meals to achieve and maintain ketosis. What is the Dirty Keto diet? The Dirty Keto diet follows the same macronutrient principles as the standard keto diet but with less emphasis on the quality of food sources. Instead of prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, the Dirty Keto approach allows for convenience foods like fast food, without the bun, processed meats, and packaged snacks, as long as they meet the required macronutrient ratios. 1. 70–75% fats. 2. 20–25% protein. 3. 5–10% carbohydrates. This flexibility makes the Dirty Keto diet appealing to those with busy lifestyles who may struggle to prepare clean keto meals but still want to lose weight. How does the Dirty Keto diet help with weight loss? 1. Ketosis induction. Like other ketogenic diets, Dirty Keto focuses on reducing carbohydrate intake to force the body into ketosis. In this metabolic state, your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, leading to effective weight loss. 2. Calorie restriction by default. Many high-fat foods are satiating, naturally reducing hunger and calorie intake. This can create a calorie deficit essential for weight loss. 3. Convenience and adherence. The Dirty Keto diet makes it easier to stick to the plan by allowing processed and fast foods, increasing the likelihood of long-term adherence. 4. Blood sugar stabilization. Low-carb eating reduces blood sugar spikes, helping control cravings and maintain energy levels. Steps to lose weight with the Dirty Keto diet. 1. Calculate your macronutrients. Use a keto calculator to determine your daily macronutrient needs based on age, weight, activity level, and weight loss goals. 2. Plan your meals. Incorporate foods that meet the high-fat, low-carb requirement, even if they're not from clean sources. Examples include fats, butter, mayonnaise, cream cheese, and coconut oil. Proteins: bacon, sausage, canned tuna, and fast food patties, no bun. Low-carb options: pre-packaged keto snacks, pork rinds, and cheese sticks. 3. Track your carb intake. Limit your carb intake to 20–50 grams daily to stay in ketosis. Use apps or food trackers to ensure you're meeting your macros. 4. Hydrate and supplement. Dirty keto diets often lack essential nutrients due to the reliance on processed foods. Stay hydrated and consider magnesium, potassium, and vitamin supplements to avoid deficiencies. 5. Incorporate exercise. To maximize weight loss, combine the Dirty Keto diet with regular physical activity. Strength training and cardio can enhance fat burning and improve overall health. Sample Dirty Keto meal plan breakfast: scrambled eggs cooked in butter with bacon and a slice of processed cheese. Snack: pre-packaged keto-friendly protein bar or pork rinds. Lunch: double cheeseburger, no bun, with extra mayonnaise and a diet soda. Snack: string cheese or pepperoni slices. Dinner: grilled chicken thighs with a side of cauliflower rice cooked in butter. Dessert: sugar-free gelatin or a fat bomb made with cream cheese and artificial sweeteners. Benefits of the Dirty Keto diet. 1. Convenience. The diet's flexibility allows for quick meal preparation and on-the-go eating, making it ideal for busy individuals. 2. Weight loss. Despite the reliance on processed foods, the Dirty Keto diet's low-carb focus promotes ketosis and fat loss. 3. Reduced hunger. High-fat meals provide long-lasting satiety, helping to curb overeating. 4. No food restrictions. Unlike clean keto, Dirty Keto allows indulgence in foods like processed meats and packaged snacks, provided they fit the macros. Potential pitfalls and how to address them. 1. Nutrient deficiency. Processed foods often lack essential vitamins and minerals. Combat this by incorporating some nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens or taking supplements. 2. Increased inflammation. Processed and low-quality fats may cause inflammation. Opt for better processed options, like nitrate-free meats and minimally processed oils. 3. Digestive issues. A lack of fiber from whole foods can lead to constipation. Include low-carb vegetables like spinach and broccoli where possible, or use fiber supplements. 4. Overconsumption of calories. While keto encourages fat consumption, eating too many calories can hinder weight loss. Track your intake to stay within your calorie goals. Tips for success on the Dirty Keto diet. 1. Start small. Transition slowly to avoid keto flu, a temporary side effect caused by electrolyte imbalances when starting a low-carb diet. 2. Read labels carefully. Many processed foods labeled keto-friendly may contain hidden carbs. Check nutritional labels to avoid exceeding your carb limit. 3. Mix in clean foods. While the Dirty Keto diet is flexible, some clean options can improve overall nutrition and reduce inflammation. 4. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Even if your food choices aren't perfect, maintaining your macros will help you lose weight. Conclusion: the Dirty Keto diet plan offers a practical and flexible way to achieve weight loss by maintaining ketosis while enjoying convenience foods. Though not as nutrient-rich as the clean keto diet, its simplicity and accessibility make it a popular choice for busy individuals. By understanding your macros, tracking your intake, and addressing potential challenges, you can successfully lose weight and achieve your goals with the Dirty Keto diet. Remember, balance and consistency are vital, even on a less stringent plan. Loudspeaker, let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with others.